My video is dedicated to help you in getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called Best Stream Search, also known under the name of this website, beststreamsearch.com. Judging by the name of this website, the developers of this service claim that by installing the extension, you'll be able to get access to some popular streaming services. But the reality is that installing this extension immediately hijacks your browser. You'll start getting a lot of ads that will be popping up randomly on your computer screen. Plus, you will notice that your default search engine may be changed, and when you submit some search queries, you may notice that the results are delivered by some unfamiliar search engine. Often the results are delivered by Yahoo, by Bing, by searchly.com, or by some other search engine not selected by you initially. So that is the problem, and you need to get rid of this beststreamsearch.com hijacker. For this purpose, you need to manage your browser extensions. And now, watch carefully as I explain how to remove third-party extensions from Google Chrome. So, go to the menu, click on More Tools, choose Extensions. You need to disable and remove any third-party extensions that you find here in your Google Chrome browser. Finally, I would also recommend that you perform additional investigation of your computer with a combo cleaner by going to the page combocleaner.com, downloading the software, and then researching the device with the program to be sure that it is free of any other threats. After the antivirus database is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan and begin the analysis of your computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threads that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threads, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threads and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific thread. So you may go to this location of thread on your Mac computer and get rid of this thread one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.